Alright guys, here we have 1982 BMW R80 RT Touring version, the flagship of BMW Airhead Touring. This is my personal bike. I decided to let it go. It's a 77,000 mile example, extremely well kept, extremely good condition, well documented, and original down to the toolbox and everything. So gonna start over real quick for you guys. A little bit of choke. Now it's kind of 55 degrees now, so it should start pretty easy. Touring bags, these are original, all fully functional. All of these locks and latches work perfectly fine. Comes with the BMW soft case in good condition. It also has functioning locks. The locks are the same. Matches the VIN number. It came with the bike when originally purchased. Original exhaust. Chrome is still healthy. It doesn't have any leaks or rust. Has a little bit of pitting on the other side on the surface. Original foot pegs. Comes with a Corbin seat. It's a period correct seat. And a sissy bar. It's really meant for like long miles. And the first owner, we got this from the first owner, and they were big touring people. So this bike has one of the rare, still optional functioning air pump that we basically reconditioned, restored, even down to the plug. This is working. You may need to clean it up, but it works. Comes with the optional tool roll. This is the factory toolbox. These are worth $200 nowadays in this condition. Full set, guys. This is very hard to come by. Tire irons, even down to the feeler gauges. These are extremely well kept. All the correct sizes. And then it also comes with the rest of the original unused factory BMW spark plugs, guys. Look at this. This is like unbelievably amazing story about this bike. Look at this. This has never been used. New old stock item. Bosch BMW spark plugs from 80s. Old tire patch kit. Look at that. Isn't that so funky? This bike was very well kept, guys. The frame is in great condition. The fender is in great condition. Engine is super healthy. Compression is strong. We spent over 25 hours on this bike just to bring it to our standards. We have carbons rebuilt, new battery, brake master cylinder rebuilt, brake calipers opened up and rebuilt. New tires, brake pads, new fork seals. The suspension is no leak at all. New intake manifolds, new brake fluids. You see it's running. That's without tow. Signals work. Flasher works. We use original BMW parts and bringing this bike back up to its condition. It's not a full restoration, but it's more like a very heavy tune-up that we do here in Brooklyn Speed. Valve cover gaskets, the seals, the intake manifolds, the clamps, the air filter, oil. All of this is brand new. Tires brand new. Yeah, reach us out. If you're interested in this bike, reach us at email, phone, Instagram, Facebook. We're available everywhere. It's an amazing piece of history. It's my personal bike, and it's meant to do long miles, and that's what I built this bike for. I wasn't gonna, you know, we worked on this bike just to keep it original and just tour around. It's ready to go. It just needs a good owner. Thank you.